All right, we're gonna take a really fun cruise here in a 1966 Cadillac Coupe DeVille convertible with the top down. Beautiful sunny day here in California. This is a very original car. It's got blue California plates. It's been here pretty much since it was new, I believe. The family that we got it from had it since the 70s. And this autumn rust metallic is a paint color. Beautiful color. I've never seen this color before on one of these. But it's got the, refreshed brown interior, real comfortable. It's got vinyl. It's got a tilt telescopic steering wheel, AM/FM stereo, power windows, power seats, power locks, power top, remote mirror. I mean, cold AC, everything. These cars were loaded. This was a very luxurious car in 1966. And it's big. It might not fit in your garage. You got to measure. It's about 19 feet long, so a lot of garages aren't that big when they make houses these days. Well, if that's the case, you get yourself a nice car cover. It's got brand new tires on it. Car sat for a while, unfortunately. The previous owner didn't drive it. He had a little car collection, and we ended up with the whole collection. But this particular car was his baby. Very clean, very nice, very little for us to do with it. Well, we're gonna go up here and to our little picture spot and take some more pictures for you and do a little walk around video. All right, check out this amazing 1966 Cadillac DeVille convertible. Beautiful car, very straight, rust-free, California car, original color, autumn rust metallic. It's got like a tannish brown interior. Looks fresh, so probably redone not too long ago. Definitely not that many miles ago. This car was stored indoors for many years. It's got the blue California license plates. We put new tires on it. It's got some new white walls, new radials. Rides beautiful. All the hubcaps and the trim and the chrome, stainless steel, in very good condition. And like I said earlier, it's got all the options. I mean, air conditioning. It's got power windows, power mirrors, not power mirror, remote mirror, power seats, power locks. Pretty loaded. Look at the size of this thing. Great looking car. Show the interior. Very nice. The door panels, all the knobs and switches and chrome are all in great condition. That's kind of a weak point on older Cadillacs, trying to find some of the electronic components and little switches and things, and when you have them, they can be fixed. But it's got the split bench, armrest there. Put 6 people in this one. It's got ashtrays, AM/FM radio. That's kind of a cool option. Automatic climate control, tilt telescopic wheel. Pretty cool option there. Beautiful car though. Got the big 429 V8 in it. Passes everything but a gas station. Got turbo 400 transmission. But it's a cruiser, man. You get on the freeway in this and just sails. Here's the power plant in the 66 Cadillac. Like I said, it's a big old 429 V8. Plenty, I think they're 340 horsepower they're rated at. But this one's got, again, factory power brakes, power steering, air conditioning. There's your condenser. Horns are great in a Cadillac. Man, the horn will scare the living daylights out of you. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice, smooth running Caddy. Got a couple things you'll need to do to it. I think it's got a little exhaust leak, I noticed. Little valve cover leak, which I think we're going to probably get to. We'll fix it. There's a whole lot of metal right there. Other than that, beautiful car. You want to come out and see it in person, we're at California Cars, 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person. Thanks for watching.